Hi everyone, I'm Lena Jacome. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to share this material with you. This is a tutorial based on an alegrías escobilla that I posted a while back ago. And this is just a little portion of what I demonstrated in that video. If you're interested in looking at that video, the link is below. You can check that out in the description. Let's go ahead and get started. I think that this is a really good exercise for the articulation of your planta, tacón, and also just the coordination with your lower and upper body. So we start on the 1 with the planta of the right foot. So it's going to, the mechanics are ball, heel, heel, ball, heel, heel, flat. And then with the left foot, ball, heel, flat. And so in rhythm it sounds like this: 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're going to repeat that on the other side, starting with the left, planta, heel, heel, planta, heel, or flat, ball, heel, flat. This is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we start on 12, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So let's do right and left. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11. Now we're going to extend that phrase to the right for the whole 12 count phrase, 12 counts. We're going to start on 1. Ball, heel, heel, ball, heel, heel, flat, ball, heel, flat, ball, heel, flat, ball, heel, flat. Let's do that with counts. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now we're ready to go to the left side. And you've already done this, you've already learned this. Ball, heel, heel, ball, heel, heel, flat, ball, heel, flat. We're just starting on the left. Now to the right, 6 count phrase. Ball, heel, ball, heel, flat, ball, heel, flat. And now we're repeating to the left the extension of the 12 beats. Starting on the 1. Ball, heel, ball, heel, flat, ball, heel, flat, ball, heel, flat, ball, heel, flat. So just the left side with the palmas. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now we're going to do right, left, and let's go ahead and implement some arms. So I have a short skirt so you can see my feet, but you can put both hands on your hips and bring up your skirt and bring it over up to your right hip and do your feet and just keep it there. You can just keep it there. You can switch right, left, right, and then when you go to the left side, left, right, left, or just keep it on one hip, whichever hip you decide. Another option, I mean there's so many, but another option is to pull the skirt up from the back. Make sure you keep that wrist nice and straight, and then bring the left arm in front while you're going to the right side, and the right arm in front when you're going to the left side. You can floreada away or floreada toward the body. You don't have or neither. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. I'll keep my hand on my right hip, floreada away from the body when I go to the right side, and then I'll switch my arms to when they go to the left, to the opposite side with my right arm in front. Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, beginning phrase of the alegrías escobilla that I demonstrated a while back ago. I hope you found this helpful. You can implement this with footwork exercises, that you're already working on, and also building up the coordination between the lower and upper body, the articulation of the planta tacón, and also your posture, just working on your posture. So thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to sharing other tutorials with you in the future. Bye-bye.